RF 180, one roll, mixture, good. Try to restart, nothing, okay. Test glide. Already rolling, we're good there.
Ready traffic, Cap Flight 608, turning left base for 1 AM.
Here I feel like I'm low, so I always just kind of cut this.
I feel like you're high.
I always say low in the fact that if anything happens, like if a gust came at us right now.
Oh yeah. Why, if everything stayed perfect, yeah. Honestly, what about even not landing flat full, just flying?
Yeah,
That was 20.
Ready traffic, Cap Flight 608, turning base to final 1 AM, full stop.
You know what I mean? It's like we're technically kind of low, kind of.
Yeah.
But kind of like right on the good spot. Definitely got enough energy.
Yeah, you got it.
Turn in traffic, Warrior 08 Bravo. Turn in left crosswind for runway 18 for eastbound departure. Turn in traffic.
A little bit of excess speed, but
Yeah, not much. A little bit. Get it over to the right. Hold that nose wheel off.
not bad at all.